Welcome to the ultimate imaging revolution. Imagine a breakthrough where cutting-edge drone technology collides with the innovation of mirrorless cameras, creating a device so powerful it could redefine the art of capturing moments. Today, we're diving deep into exclusive leaks and insider rumors about DJI's upcoming mirrorless camera, a potential game-changer set to challenge industry giants like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or a passionate photography enthusiast, this is the tech scoop you've been waiting for. Stick with us till the very end, because what we're about to reveal isn't just news, it's a glimpse into the future of visual storytelling. Before we dive into the details of this new mirrorless camera, let's take a moment to appreciate DJI's incredible journey. For years, DJI has been synonymous with groundbreaking advancements in drone technology and precision gimbal stabilization. From the cinematic prowess of the Ronin 4D to the sleek versatility of the Osmo Pocket, DJI has consistently set new industry standards. Their innovative approach has not only captivated drone enthusiasts, but has also revolutionized how we think about capturing video and imagery. This solid legacy makes their step into the mirrorless camera realm a topic that demands our full attention. Today, we're exploring how DJI's expertise in one field could redefine another. Now, let's talk about the buzz that's got everyone on edge: the rumors of DJI's upcoming mirrorless camera. The leak suggests that this new device isn't just another entry in the crowded market. It could be a complete game-changer, blending high-end technology with a user-friendly design. Insiders hint at a launch in 2025, promising a product that leverages DJI's deep technological roots while targeting both professionals and avid content creators. Although many details remain unconfirmed, the speculation alone has set social media and tech forums ablaze. Stick around as we break down exactly what these rumors could mean for the future of imaging technology. At the heart of this rumored device is a blend of cutting-edge technology that only DJI can deliver. Picture a mirrorless camera that integrates advanced stabilization, technology perfected in their high-end drones, with the precision of Hasselblad's imaging sensors. This hybrid approach could potentially offer unprecedented dynamic range, color accuracy, and low-light performance. Moreover, DJI's rumored modular design might allow for customizable setups, giving creators the flexibility to tailor the device to their unique needs. Whether you're a professional filmmaker looking for cinematic quality or a content creator seeking robust yet portable gear, this camera promises features that could challenge even the most established brands in the market. Moving on to the design and user experience, imagine a mirrorless camera that marries the sleek minimalist aesthetics of Scandinavian design with the robust engineering that DJI is known for. The hints suggest that this camera could feature a clean, intuitive interface, something many traditional models have struggled to achieve. In addition, the ergonomic design is expected to offer a comfortable, tactile experience that suits long shooting sessions, whether in a studio or on a busy film set. The potential for customizable buttons and modular accessories further sets this device apart, promising not only superior image quality, but also an unparalleled level of practical usability for professionals and enthusiasts alike. In today's fast-paced digital world, seamless connectivity isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. That's why the rumored connectivity features of DJI's mirrorless camera have sparked so much excitement. Envision a device that effortlessly transfers files wirelessly, integrates directly with cloud storage, and even supports real-time remote editing. Such innovations could dramatically streamline the workflow for professionals who are always on the move. No more fumbling with cables or waiting for slow transfers. Instead, imagine instant uploads and smooth, uninterrupted creative sessions. This forward-thinking approach could set a new benchmark in the industry, making it a vital tool for modern content creators. Let's take a moment to analyze the potential impact of this product on the current camera market. Traditionally dominated by stalwarts like Sony, Canon, and Nikon, the mirrorless segment is ripe for disruption. DJI's entry could infuse fresh competition into this well-established arena. With its reputation for innovation and a fresh outsider perspective, DJI might address long-standing industry pain points, be it in stabilization, modularity, or connectivity. While challenges such as establishing a dedicated lens ecosystem and long-term ecosystem support remain, the unique blend of features offered by DJI's rumored mirrorless camera could force even the biggest names to innovate faster, benefiting the entire market. Who exactly stands to gain from DJI's venture into mirrorless cameras? The answer is simple. Everyone from the passionate hobbyist to the high-end professional filmmaker. Content creators, vloggers, photographers, and cinematographers alike are constantly on the lookout for tools that offer both quality and versatility. This camera could very well bridge the gap between professional-grade systems and consumer-friendly devices. Imagine a single device that caters to multiple creative needs, streamlined enough for on-the-go shooting, yet robust enough for detailed studio work. If DJI can pull this off, it will be a powerful asset for anyone serious about capturing stunning visuals. As we look to the future, the possibilities stemming from DJI's mirrorless camera are truly exciting. Beyond the immediate technical innovations, there's a broader implication for the industry as a whole. If DJI can integrate its pioneering stabilization and modular design into a mirrorless system, we may be witnessing the start of an entirely new product category that redefines what a camera can be. With the potential to evolve further through firmware updates and new accessory integrations, the future of imaging looks more dynamic than ever. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor this groundbreaking development. There's no telling what game-changing features might emerge in the months ahead. If you found this deep dive into DJI's rumored mirrorless camera as fascinating as we did, please give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button to never miss an update. We're just scratching the surface here, and as more details emerge, we promise to bring you every insight and analysis. This is not just another gadget review, it's a front row seat to the evolution of imaging technology. Thanks for watching, stay curious, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.